Hi guys, this video will talk about the delivery app in the EasySales. Our delivery app is used for the rider when they deliver the delivery order. Do you always worry about where the riders go? Our app has GPS tracking to track their locations. Do you always find the riders to pass them the DO when you assign a job? The rider will receive a notifications and they will take necessary actions when you assign directly to their phones. Did your admin always busy calculating the cost of the rider? Our solution will calculate the cost so the admin no need to spend plenty of time to do this routine work. First, log in. Click the delivery info at the left hand side and you will see the delivery order list that you generated from your accounting system. Select our actions. The left hand side is the customer will come by own and the right hand side is the rider will deliver the DO. Click the right buttons. The DO will come to here. We also can assign multiple DO to a rider in one job. Press the app job list. Then choose a rider and create the delivery. Click the Scan DO with Barcode buttons. If you have a barcode printer on your DO, it will be easy as you can scan directly without searching from the list. After you scan, you will see the DO information of the barcodes. You can click the Add Job List buttons and create the job of this DO. You can check the status at DO list or you can check the rider job status at here. When admin assigns a job to a rider, the rider phone will get a notification like this. Click link and they will see the job. The transaction ID, created date, start point and the destination will be shown in the job. Click the View Job. You will see all the job informations. The rider have to click the Start Job buttons. They will see the map and click again the Start Job. Then they can start the deliver. When the rider arrives at the destinations, they can enter the remarks, enter the cost, and take photo. When done, end the job. Admin can generate an Excel monthly report, example like this. The cost will be auto-calculated according to the distance.